Okay, let's go.
This is nice. This is nice.
This is nice.
This is nice. This is nice.
This is nice.
So we have an outlet over here. So the plan is to put the LED strip right here and somehow carefully wire this to the outlet. So let's see. We have power supply. We have RGB controller, SP630E. This is a Wi-Fi controller, and we have COB LED strip. So I like this one because it's small, so it should be invisible, and also it's a COB.
It's a spotless. This is the addressable LED, so it should have input and it has output. So we need to understand where's the input. Okay, before we install, let's test it out. So we have our RGB controller. There are 3 wires. White goes to ground, green goes to data, and VCC is our red power line.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so we connect this right. So this is the input, female. Let's see. Okay, so female for the input and male for the LED. Okay. Okay, so can you see? So there's 2 layers. One layer is with the glue strip and another one is blue one that we have to remove. Let's see. Let's remove it little by little. Надо было алкоголем желательно пройтись, чтобы обезжирить, да. Ideally, we need to make a hole right here and hardwire this to the power source, the 110. Ну да, и отрезать, cut the plug and connect straight to the power source.
So maybe next time we still have some LED left. Maybe we can put something under cabinets, but here it has to be more bright.